Hello, fellow time travelers. We are traveling back to the 1700s and we're going to talk about Ben Franklin and swimming. He was one of the only founding fathers who knew how to swim, and he was a huge advocate of it for both health and for safety. So it started when he learned to swim by himself as a child in the Charles River in Boston. He became so good at swimming that he later went to London, which itself is an interesting story. As a teenager, I didn't even know that. He was in London for several years as a teen, and he swam 3 miles in the Thames River, which astounded people. And he even thought for a little while about opening a swimming school in Great Britain, but thankfully for us, he came back to the US and went into printing and inventing. And speaking of inventing, he was also one of the first people to come up with the idea of flippers, but instead of for the feet, they were more like paddles for the hands. So, anyway, Ben Franklin, a big advocate of swimming, so much so that in 1968, posthumously, obviously. He became inducted into the Swim Hall of Fame for all he had done for the sport. So anyway, thank you for traveling a little back in time with me, and I wish you could travel here with me. This is pretty fabulous in January for a Wisconsinite, and I will see you again soon.